gonna show you today how to change the impeller. Sorry my voice is a bit croaky, but I'll do my best. I have William here helping me, so it might take longer than normal. So you have to just unscrew that, and then this 6 bolts here. So if you notice here, this two bolts, one is pressing against the other, so it doesn't come off. So you need 2 number 10s, and roll the top one. So I tend to leave the small bolt on the bottom where it is, and I'll just unscrew the top big bolt. So that, okay, William, you're fixing the wheel with a hammer. Okay, that must work. Okay, now you see these are 12. The 3 Look, it's coming out. It's coming out. Be very gentle. Okay. So you can see this, a bit of cleaning, not too bad. It's just with the cloth comes out. So yeah, these are number 10s as well. The impeller is inside here. You just have to take this out. And make sure you don't lose this rubber. Sometimes it comes out easily. So this is a good one and this is a bad one. See, when you have the bends, that's bad. So you want nice and straight. You have a little crack that you put, and the impeller go. A crack in there has to go inside there. Okay. Inside there. Just have to open the first start, and now be careful when you're screwing this screws in. There's only one way they go in, so don't force them. They're not going in, turn them out upside down. So I just find the service manual. It says to put sealant on the screws here. I never did, so I'm not going to do it, because I don't have the correct sealant and stuff. With the torque wrench, it's 16 pounds, sorry. Just screw the clutch, hold the bottom one, keep that, and now just tighten the top bit. Don't forget to do this, otherwise it looks very good. Good pressure, very good pressure. That's what you want. Water coming down here, there. No leaks. Let's try putting the gear on now. Let's try the back. Perfect. I guess all is done now. I'll just check the other one. Okay, take it easy guys, hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.
Shanana, shanana, hoo, hoo.